Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Imadinish bin Muhammad Kamis from DLM4C. So in this video, I want to tell about the international trade related with the Nike company. Before we start, what is supply chain management? Supply chain management is active in managing supply chain activities to maximize customer value and achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. It represents a conscious effort on the part of the supply chain companies to develop and run supply chains in the most efficient manner possible. So this picture tells about the flow of supply chain management. First is raw materials to supplier, to manufacturing, to distribution, to retail location, and the last one to the customer. So next, why supply chain management is important? Supply chain management is important because it increases productivity and customer satisfaction. Supply chain management plays an integral part in the success of a firm at the first time and age. Efficiently operating supply chains allow business to produce goods quickly to the end user at a low cost. Okay, now move on to definition of logistic. Logistic is the term which generally means the management of transportation of information from one place to another. Logistic involves things like transportation, inventory, packaging, supplies, and sometimes social security and warehousing. Second, international trade. International trade is the exchange of goods and services among countries. Total trades equal export plus import. Here are the advantage and disadvantage about international trade. So the advantage of international trade is increased revenues. The second one, decreased competition. Third one, longer product lifespan. And the last one, better risk management. So this is the disadvantage of international trade, which is storage of goods, world war, economic dependence, political dependence. If we talk about international trade, the important element is the transportation. Transportation is defined as movement of goods, people, and animals from one location to another. There are 5 modes of transportation. The first one is roadways. Road transport means transportation of goods and personnel from one place to the other on roads. The major advantage of road transport is that it can enable delivery door-to-door of goods and materials. Second, railways. Rail transport is also known as train transport, which run on tracks. Trains are fast and the least affected by usual weather compared to the other transport. Third, airways. The advantage using air transportation is high speed. Passenger and goods can be transported easily from one place to the other place. And fourth is seaways. You can ship large volumes at low cost. Then the shipping container can also be used for further transporting by road and rail. Last is pipeline. So, I want to share about Knight Company. The background of Knight Company is established in 1962, founded by Philip Knight. In 1978, the name of Knight is officially named. The mission of the Knight is to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. Knights want to transport their product in a sustainable way that reduces costs at the same time. Knight decided to transport their product on cargo ships instead of using airplanes. Fun fact, Knight saved $8 million in 1 year by using cargo ship. So, this is Knight supply chain map. The red pins are the headquarters of Knight. The aqua pins are the subcontractors of Nike, which are focused in Taiwan and South Korea. The yellow pins are for the retail store of Nike. This is the documentation when a retailer orders Nike products. First is quotation document. Nike will send a detailed quotation document for the products offered for sale. Second, the ordering process. First is purchase order document. Nike will send an official purchase order document to the retailer. Second, proforma invoice document. Nike will send an official proforma invoice to confirm the details of the good to be supplied. Next, we move to shipping process. The first one is shipper's latest instruction. This document is very important legal document. Second is bill of lading. This document is the most important document involved in the supply chain. And the last one is packing list document. In this document, Nike stating how all the products have been packaged inside the shipment. Last but not least, the arrival documentation. Arrival notice, basically documents sent by the ocean freight carrier. So that's all from me. Thank you.